Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to this week's Monday Minute. As some of you know, we have a plethora of free resources on our website at getinsights.org. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage the online sketch gallery on our website and import an SKX file into Xactimate desktop. You can see that I'm on our website at getinsights.org. I'm going to click on the tab at the top of the screen called Free Resources and go down to the Xactimate Sketch Gallery. Now in here you can see that we have dozens of different sketch templates ranging from complicated roofs, decks, room templates, stairs, etc. I'm going to pick this one out. Say I want to utilize this as a template in my estimate. I'm going to go over here to the right side of the screen, click download, and you can see it's popped up in my downloads folder. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and I'm going to drag it to the desktop just so it's easy for me to find to import into Xactimate. Now I'm going to Alt-Tab over to my example estimate. I'm already in the Sketch tab in Xactimate. I've already got the Options tab open. Now I'm going to click on the Load Template button here in the middle in the toolbar. From there, you already have your list of templates that you already have in your Xactimate. I'm going to click on the Import button to bring in this new file. You can see it's the only SKX file on my desktop. I'm going to click on that. Now I'm going to go down. I can see it in my list, so I'm going to hit OK. Once I've highlighted this, it's already preloaded onto my cursor. All I have to do is click and drop it into my estimate. From there, I can modify this as I need for my estimate and utilize it for whatever purposes I need. This gives you a great way to utilize templates that are free on our online sketch gallery at our website, getinsights.org. Check that out. Thanks for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Keep learning and growing.